Hey loves, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, the long awaited video is here. Most of you have been asking how I do my brows, and so here's an updated brow tutorial for you. If you're here in 2019 and you're still having issues doing your brows, then this is the video for you. Do want to keep watching. So I started off with my professional brow kit, which I got from the local drugstore, but for those in Cameroon you can get it from me. I took out the mascara one and I'm going to just brush my hair the desired direction. Then this pencil also came out from the brow kit and it has two sides. I'm going to be using the darker side, the darker side of the pencil, and I'm going to outline my brows, just drawing a straight line underneath my brows. Then using my mascara one, I'm going to brush my hair downwards and outline it too, just like you see. Then after using my mascara one to brush my brows to take out the excess product, I went in again to fill in my brows. That's like the areas where hair doesn't cover or so. Then I went in with this darker brown pencil, which is not necessarily from my brow kit, but I like my brows darker like I mentioned. Then I'm going in with these two shades of Elegant Pro concealer. I'm showing you my foundation shade just to let you know you can always clean your brows with your foundation in case you don't have concealer or so. So this is the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to use it to clean the bottom part of my brows, and you see I'm taking my time and I'm giving short strokes, just like my girl Kuna Chelsea will say. When you do shorter strokes, the probability of you making mistakes is limited. Like short strokes or short lines, shorter mistakes. Okay, and you see me pulling the concealer downwards after cleaning my brows, just so that I don't have. Then using this concealing brush, I'm going to mix the lighter shade that's in Fawn and the dark shade in Cocoa. I'm going to mix them together, or you can use your foundation like I earlier said to clean the topper part of my brows. On my brow. Ooh, did I just say brows? My brow. Yeah. And like I did, I'm doing shorter strokes, and I personally like starting from in front while cleaning on my brow, but you can do it either ways. You can start from the end, but I personally like starting from in front. And like you see, shorter strokes, and I'm using my hands and the concealing brush easy and stay. This brush to blend out, the brush is from the brow kit. I'm going to use it to blend out the concealer. I know some people, I always see some people do their brows and don't feel like doing makeup on that day, and you cannot photoshop brows, so you have to do it right, and you can't just leave the concealer there. You have to blend it out. So that's what I'm doing. And you see it's blending out nicely. Good. Do well to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Is absolutely free, like I always say. Do to subscribe and turn on the notification bar and the notification bell. Did I just say bar? And join the family. Then going in, still in my professional brow kit, going in with that brow highlight, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Using the other side of the brush. Then going back again into the brow kit, I'm going to use this clear brow gel to set my eyebrows and make sure that they stay in place all day. Like, them brows are not going anywhere, they are staying there. If we're going to Tokyo, Tanzania, Dubai and back, the brow should stay in place all day. So I'm using this brow gel and I'm just going to kind of apply my brows by, how do they say it, by brushing it. Yes. And hey, can you all see that brow? That, like, the brows are popping. Hey. Thanks for watching, guys. This is how you dance when your brows on fleek.